Hello beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Please guys, hair changes over time, but with the right cut it will work with your texture instead of against it. So no matter your hair type, there is a style that your hair will love. This haircut adds the texture and dimension, and you can see how it makes your hair looks fuller. This is a cut for every black woman because it will add that delicate frame to your face. Women's hair thins out more or less evenly as the age, but there might be particularly areas that shows more thinning. So this haircut for women can really camouflage sparse areas along the hairline and layer style. So like this style, it will help to create the illusion of fullness at the crown. That is why I always advise older women to go for the pixies. Just flaunt the richness of your hair in this modern short natural haircut. That can increase your hair's manageability. I love the style because it really emphasizes the beauty of a natural coils, and it makes maintenance easier. So you can see how the cut looks so flattering on any hair type. No matter your hair type, whether it's thin or whether it's thick, there is this haircut that suits all hair type. And I love the style because it's really unique, and it's a style that will make you stand out from the crowd. I love the sky because it is a special consideration hairstyle. Not all haircut works for every lifestyle or hair concern, and that's okay. But if you're looking for styles that really integrate those classes, or styles that will flatter your face shape, or those little upkeep, please have in mind that those beautiful styles we have for you are the options that will really give your hair the right look. Try and watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching this video. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye.